everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Melody Lane, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Cricut Explorer 3. I just unboxed the Cricut Maker 3, so if you want to see that video, make sure you go to my channel, youtube.com/melodylane, and subscribe, and go check out my older videos. Every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern, I teach Cricut Design Space classes. I answer your questions live, and I do a giveaway in every one of those videos. So make sure you come and watch and chat and learn so much about Cricut Design Space in my classes on Saturday mornings. Are we ready to open this up? The Cricut Explorer 3 is so much faster than the old machines. It no longer has the dial. You do it all in Design Space. And with the Cricut Explorer 3, you can print and cut on colored paper. They upgraded the sensor. They upgraded the complete machine. They didn't just upgrade it, they rebuilt the machine. So it's completely rebuilt, and it's so much better than the other machines. You'll notice it doesn't say Cricut Explorer Air 3. Like the Cricut Explorer Air or the Cricut Explorer Air 2, they just dropped the word Air. It is Bluetooth, just like all the other machines they make. They're all Bluetooth, so they no longer need to add the Air. There is another amazing accessory with this because it cuts 12 feet of vinyl without a mat. It'll cut paper without a mat. Are you guys excited? Open this up. You were born creative, it says. That's right. Let's get back. All right, let's open this up. Okay, we got an envelope. Let's see what they gave us in the envelope. Let's get started. Activate your machine. Cricut.com/setup. And they gave us some getting started. It's the same thing that they have in the Explorer. This is smart vinyl to use during setup to make a sticker. Now, in this machine, you will not see a mat. They give you materials to cut without a mat. You can purchase the mat separately. It's 13 by 12. All the smart materials are 13 inches wide. And then we have transfer tape and smart iron-on holographic. Amazing. And then smart paper. So this is smart sticker cardstock. Very nice. We're gonna have to try that out. Okay, now the hard part is taking this out of the machine, out of the box. Lift up on these two pieces, get it out of the box. Let me set this up here. Get the cords. Now, these cords are different than the cords you have before. Make sure it says Cricut Explorer 3. Do not use your old cords with it. These have a higher wattage. And then you also get your USB cord. Okay, let's unwrap this. Ooh, what I am noticing is the finish on this is not glossy. It's got a matte finish. The bottom edge is glossy. Wow. Now this one has a button. Notice the dial is not here anymore, and the buttons have changed. Oh, and notice there is a spot here that was not in the previous Explorers. It will hold your phone or your iPad or anything else. That's awesome. Thank you, Cricut. That's a nice upgrade to the Explorer machine. Very nice. This is magnetic, so it will hold your blades. So to take the blade out, you just open that up, and it has guides right here and right here. Shall we get this started and plug it in? So I'm going to plug this into the back. I love this matte finish. go right there. I'll go ahead and hook up the USB. I'm just going to plug this in right here. Open it up. Let's turn it on. Okay, so we're going to Design Space. We're going to click on New Project, and I'm going to click on New Product Setup, and I'm going to click on Cutting Machines, and I'm going to click the Cricut Explorer 3. Make sure you have 10 inches of space behind the Cricut Explorer 3. Plug in the Cricut Explorer 3 into the wall outlet and power on. We've done that. And use the USB cord to connect Cricut Explorer 3 to the computer. And click Continue. And then we're going to click Update to see if there's any updated firmware. And instantly there was not any. So I'm going to click Next and Register. So we have to agree to the terms of use. If you want to read the terms of use, just click right there and register your machine. Now it is registered and set up. Let's go to Next. Next it says let's make a sticker. So I don't want to do this because I just did this in my Cricut Maker Explorer 3 unboxing video. If you want to see that, you can watch that video. I want to try the paper this time. In my Cricut Maker 3 video, I also cut 5 feet of the smart vinyl. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you watch that video. I'll put a link to it in the description of this video. We're going to skip this one. If you'd like to skip this test, you can always access these images from the canvas. Okay. Okay guys, tune in for my next video. You can watch the Cricut Explorer 3 draw on Cricut sticker cardstock. It's so awesome and so fast. This is not sped up. See you in the next video.